Hi you guys, I am back. Your girl is back. Today we're gonna be doing our makeup and vibing. Like, I just want to be cute. I'm loving this hairstyle on me right now. Like, I love when my hair is in the heatless curls. And then I have my nails done for fall. Happy belated Thanksgiving. Merry Christmas. It's almost time. I screenshotted some looks yesterday. This is really cute. I like this, but I've been doing a lot of brown, so I might not do this look. But this is just examples of what I've been liking. Like, even the lip. Serving. Why not this be a virtual makeup? Like, we're just doing our makeup together. Hey. If you really watch me, I've been gone. Like, I've tried to record so many times, and I say this in every video that I record, but the video just don't be serving. It just don't be giving what I be needing the video to give, and then I just don't even want to edit it. So it puts me in a conflicted position. I don't want to force it, but now I feel like I'm ready. I'm chilling, I'm vibing, and I just want to record. Like, I don't even got nothing to talk about. I just want to do my makeup and be cute. Also, I got these nails from Shein, y'all. Like, Shein be eating. I've been wearing Shein nails like all year. Like, I don't play about my press-ons. I love my press-ons, and it helps me to keep up with myself and look good at the same time without spending $100 every 2 weeks. No matter what, I always start off with my eyebrows. I like to use this elf brow lift. It works so good. I've honestly had this for almost a year now, and I still have a lot left. Sometimes I like the really feathered look, but I've been liking the clean shape, so that's what I've been doing lately. I have to do a skincare video because my skin is like so flawless. Like, come on now. I guess I was feeling myself too much. They was like, girl, calm down, relax. Yo, I'm almost at 1,000 followers on TikTok, and the only reason why I want to get to 1,000 followers is because I want to go live so bad. Like, I would do my makeup on live and get ready on live all the time. So I love this concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I use a color that matches my skin tone, which is medium beige. Oh y'all, I always forget primer, but I'm taking it right off, so I'm not gonna do primer. This is the primer that I use. I use the e.l.f. Power Grip. These are my favorite makeup remover wipes by Kala. They're so good. I think I want to do this one and then mix like one of these. I've been loving mascara lately. Like, I love a mascara look. I don't even need the lashes. Like, give me a lash curler and mascara and my eyes will look so good. It just brings out my eyes so well. I think I might want to do like a sharp look like that. I really need a new eyeliner so that I can do a winged eyeliner. I've really been wanting to do it. Like, I feel like when I do an eye look, it will like set it off so well, but I don't know how to do it. Like, I always mess it up. I used to know how to do it. So I'm gonna go in with more of a fluffy brush, and then which one are we gonna take? I think I want to keep it really neutral tone. My outfit is very calm, so I'm just gonna take this color right here. Wait, is that the color? No, I'm gonna take this one right here. It's kind of like a gray brown, so it's not too dark. And I'm gonna do it towards the edges so that it can like make it a little dramatic, like a dramatic transition. All right, now I'm gonna take a blending brush and just make sure it's all blended into each other so it doesn't look choppy. For my concealer on my face, I used to use this brush to rub it up there. Now I use a concealer brush and brush it on my face. I get those words like so tongue-tied. This is another concealer that I like to use. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is like very full coverage. You could use this as foundation if you wanted to. I might do a little tonight because I think I want like a little heavy concealer since I'm doing a light eye. This is my concealer brush. It's just a flat brush, and then I just like to bring it, like, you want to make the look that you want your eye to look like. So I literally just drag it so that it'll look sharp like that. Like, you don't really need the tape and stuff, just clean it up. I guess if you're doing like really dramatic colors like orange, blue, then I would do tape so it's not like so messy. And then I like to take my beauty blender and blend it just to make sure it's like really blended evenly. I've never tried a white under eye. I might have to get that one day to see how it looks. I've done silver but I haven't tried white. I'm using the Anastasia palette, and as you can tell, this is the one that I always use. And then I have this contour brush, which is nice because it's already in the shape. I'm not really a fan of the liquid contour because I just feel like it spreads on my skin too much. Like, I've used it before. I just like how cream contour blends. It blends easier for me. I'm gonna stop right here. Normally I bring it down, but I feel like if I stop right here, it might give me like more snatched looks. I'm only gonna do like midway. I've been doing a powder concealer for my nose because I feel like it's easier for me to draw it like that. I do like to bring it up here because it dramatizes the eye a little bit. And then I'm gonna use this brush to blend out my contour. Yeah, I don't look this light in person. Like, it's making me look so white right now. Why? I don't look like this, y'all. I got some melanin to me. I promise. Like, I think I am gonna go in with like just this type of color. I feel like you can't see it, so I'm going to add this orangey one. I like this. Y'all can't really see it on camera. I'm doing like a little bit at a time because I don't want to do too much. Like, I think that might have been pushing it, but y'all can see it now. But that's all I'm gonna do. No more. I forgot to set my face. Let's backtrack, ladies. Like, I just put on my blush and I forgot to set my face. Great. I like to wipe my setting powder right off. Like, I don't like it sitting. I don't want it to look like white. Like, I don't want to look like a ghost, so I just wipe it off. And for bronzer, I'm gonna add, well, I kind of want it darker, so I'm gonna add this one. I'm gonna add some more blush since I kind of covered it up. It's still showing really well though. I'm just gonna go back in with my brush to add more. Another thing I like to do is take a lighter concealer and put it down the middle of my nose so that the contour can pop more. And this is in the shade Natural. Why did she do this in the video? She said, I got a bad boy, just a bad. Like, girl, yeah, Ariana Grande, relax. They had her turn. So what I think I'm gonna do is a smoky eyeliner, but I'm gonna do a brown instead of black. I'm gonna use the same color that I used for the top of my eye underneath. So I'm not gonna do the light one, but I'm gonna do that gray brown one that I used to darken it up. And you want to do this because it just helps to complete the look, to like bring it all together. Like, it's not just this, it's your entire eye, so you want it to just look good. It makes a really big difference.
Hey Chris?
Oh, I forgot a brand sent me some products. They sent me this white Dreamlight highlighter balm. It's in the shade Icy Days by Mora, and I think I want to put it in the corners. Yes. I'm gonna add some finishing powder to my face just to bring like the color all together. Now we're gonna smudge it out. I bought these lashes off of Shein. I've really been wanting like a cat eye because the dramatic lashes, like, they're cute, but I'll be wanting something more natural. I have been doing great with my mascara. My only problem is that it's waterproof, so it's really tough to get off. They're like really tiny. Okay, let's see. All right, you guys, I have them on, but honestly, I don't like it. Like, I didn't put them on right, so I know, like, in person I would probably look crazy, and I feel like it just made my eyes look really tiny. I wanted to go for a natural look, but these things is small. No, I'm taking these off. Like, well, we're about to go crazy with the mascara. All right, I'm gonna use this Telescopic by L'Oreal. This is the waterproof one. I need to get a regular one because their mascara is really good. I just don't like how hard it is to come off. I got my nose all in y'all face. This would have been perfect for yesterday. Like, oh my gosh. I'm gonna do a nude lip. So I used this So She lip liner in the shade Mocha. I really do want it to be matte, and this is like more on the glossy side. So I'm gonna add some concealer. I'm gonna add a little bit of this. This is so cute, y'all. Oh my gosh. Talk about transformation. Of course, my camera is literally finna die. Oh my gosh, I have to hurry up. Okay, I hate how I have to rush this outro, but my camera is literally about to die. I love this look so much. It came together so well. It's giving grown woman. Okay. I hope I don't disappear again for so long next time. Okay, but yes, this was so fun. I love you guys. My little honey buns, my little sweetie pies. And I will talk to y'all later. Mwah. Kiki out.